Yes, I can get all three faces. There we go.
When you start early, so you learn a lot of mammal behaviors because they are active.
Brand new.
11 o'clock.
He's riding the.
He's looking at you guys.
He's brand new.
This one will.
Are they solitary? Do they have mates or family?
But males sometimes can go alone, and then later they join up females. Browsers, pointed lips for eating leaves.
Do you know how many rhinos there are in the park?
For them around so easily.
Who can?
Do they have vets here that try
Yeah,
to... Chinese really like to touch women.
Yeah, Chinese will be
they
like,
take the tusks.
yummy, yummy. Yeah, so they kill them.
These look more brown than the first guy.
Yes. Yeah, easy for the lion in the distance to see. But then because of the stripes, you know, when they start walking, marching. Eating, and then later, siesta. They can do it while standing, like horses. Yeah, they have some locks in their knee. Colors. They all have great colors, but depends. So they are the largest ruminant mammals. They chew cud.
Yeah, I thought they were only South America.
There too.
Yes.
All flamingo.
Yeah. Flamingos now, they do lay their eggs. And different size, different age. So what they'll be waiting is when the dominant male.
They are now suffocating inside there.
Yeah.
And this guy over here saying, hey, nobody's paying attention to me.
Yeah, like, and with the bird. No.
No, it's just screening for you. Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, looks like she's spotting at something.
Songa kidogo.
Good angle.
Come on, show me that impossibly.
Crossing, not zebra crossing. Wanajipangia hata mimi siku ya mwisho.
He's saying,
Sisi hapa kutesa mtu.